Hello everyone!
Hello everyone!
Welcome to the first family video of microscope exploring. This is my little chiquito and this is Susito. Can you guys say hello?
Hello!
Today we have a special episode. Today we're going to look at Hot Wheel cars under the microscope. You have one here, and then he has a yellow Hot Wheel over there. This one has like lasers and big engines.
This one has like lasers. You see, this one has two different types of laser. There's one like a laser and a machine gun.
Oh my gosh, that's really scary. And then Osito, what does yours have?
He has a little seat.
A little seat, a little chair. Okay. And then the one we'll be looking at is this guy right here. And this guy is a drag racing Hot Wheel. You guys can see him right here.
He looks like a little. He has a horn. Beep beep.
Osito, can you see the one we're going to be looking at? This one with the big engine, and it has a letter on top. It has like a big R. You see him?
R.
It has a big R, and his name is, what is his name? Their names are underneath.
He backed it up.
Oh, his name is underneath. It's something. Okay, he's like a drag racing car. So first thing we'll do is we'll start with the 5x magnification. So 5 times. So we'll put him here below like that. And then you can see that little small bright light shining on him. Can you see that? And then you want to get closer? Yeah, there's a little light shining on him below from above. And that allows us to see him. So then if we take this and we get closer and closer, you want to do that? X magnification, we're looking at a screen so we can see the image bigger. You guys can see that the top of that Hot Wheel is gray and yellow and black, but then when we look really close, there's small little grooves on it. Do you see those like bumps? Yeah, there's like bumpy, and we can see a little bit of yellow that passes there. Let's see if we can kind of move this guy around a little bit. Oh, look at that. That's more yellow. The paint pigments, the colors are called pigments, and it has like yellow and gold and gray and black, and you can see it like that. Isn't that interesting? And then we can get even closer, guys. So that is 5 times. How about we go really close and then we do 10 times?
Yeah.
So let's do 10 times. So for 10 times, you're gonna go back up. We spin it into position. Now look at that, guys. You guys see that? Now we're getting closer. You start to see those little like flakes. They're shining brightly, little gems. Do you see how it looks? That's the different paint pigments. When you get closer, it's showing the different colors that are inside. Is that interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm done.
You think you're done?
That.
You got your gloves? Yeah. And then let's just get a little bit closer, okay? Let's do the 20 times. 20 times. We're getting really close. Do you see that? What do you see?
I see the rocks.
Little rocks? Oh my gosh, there's little rocks on top of the Hot Wheel?
Yeah.
Wow, isn't it? What's your favorite color of them?
I like the little white rocks.
The little white rocks? Oh, see, do you see those little rocks on the Hot Wheel? Which one is your favorite? The yellow one? Ooh, the yellow one is a nice color. Yeah, it has gold and yellow on top of it. That's really fascinating. Okay. Yes?
This thing right there, that's the thing where you can look at it.
That's right. This is, yeah. And then this is the macro and the fine. So you can
What's
really zoom
this
in.
thing?
That's the objective. It's called the objective. And they are the ones that allow you to see really close to it. And then, can you come over here? Yeah,
What's the red one? The other one.
Oh, the different colors. This one is 10 times, and each of them have a different number, so you can get really close to the thing you're watching.
That one's 20, that one's 10, and that one is 180.
Oh my gosh, that's really close. We can see really
Let
close.
me see what's the blue.
Wait, hold on. Let's just finish the last one, okay?
Okay.
We'll do 50 times.
Okay.
This is now 50.
50
Yeah,
times.
50 times. And then we can get really close. Whoa!
Look at all those colorful rocks.
Look at that. Let's see, look at that. Do you see all the little like gems? Now we're looking at it really close.
Really cool.
Yeah, did you know that that's the way?
It's like
Oh, he disappeared.
That close.
Yeah, like yeah. Can you show me on here? How close is it? Oh my gosh, that's really close. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's how close we're looking at it. That's right. Did you guys know that that's how the Hot Wheel looks when you look under? Isn't that amazing? You can't. It doesn't seem like it, but when you look really close with the microscope, you can see different things. Yeah, different properties. Wow, that's the way that Hot Wheel looks. Isn't that interesting?
The green one, that was the one we just saw.
Oh yes, that one. That one is the 10 times, I believe. So it would be 100 times magnification. You're getting really close to that one. And right now we're doing 500 times. Wow, so we're really, really in close.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, like that. All right, guys. Well, that's today's episode. And thank you for watching as we explored the Hot Wheels.
And we're back. Tick, 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 tick.